it's Pickle, and I'm going to be doing a review about the Crayola Crayon Melting.
Woohoo!
So I got this for Christmas along with a bunch of other stuff, like always. And I'm just going to be testing this out and telling you what I think about it. And the good side and the downside. You know.
Okay, so first off, we noticed on this box, it says that it's good for ages 8 and up. How old are you?
I'm 9.
Okay, check.
Wait, well how come, you're my mom, how do you not know my age?
Just making sure for the viewers.
Okay.
Okay, anyway, so you pick and you use with Crayola crayons, you melt, it's low heat and dries quickly, and you create melted crayon art. So in the box, we got a few things. Mostly these sheets. There's a practice sheet and 2 starter projects. Ella has her own neon crayons, and these are the crayons that came in the box. So what did you think first off?
Well, it looked cool and it's awesome, I think. We haven't used it yet. Also, don't mind me over here just making a robot.
Hi, Michael.
So, these are the stuff that you can use it on. Canvas, wood, and cardboard, but we're going to be using these sheets. No canvas!
Oh, by the way, that's Michael. He's working on a robot.
So one practice sheet, 2 that we can draw on, and these are the stuff that it comes with. We also unboxed. So just one thing, I'm just going to wait until...
What did we notice about the colors?
Oh, yes. Look. Here it's all pretty and rainbowy and colorful. Yes, these are the ones that I got. I'm missing my pink. I'm missing my purple. It comes with 2 greens. I have those 2 greens. Yellow, red, orange. But then there are like 3 colors missing.
So that's why we have the crayons that they recommend, which are Crayola brand, of course. And we have the tool to take the paper off of the crayon.
You have to use this to clean it.
Yes.
Yeah. So I'm going to practice on it with the practice sheet. So,
It has some dots, some lines.
and this shape so I can like fill in, trace. I don't know. So I'm gonna try and use this, but since it has the skin, I'm gonna have to use this side of it and peel it. So like this.
I'm not quite sure. Let's see if you can do it.
That did nothing.
Try it again. Maybe you need to go over it a few times.
This thing is useless.
It is? Can you just tear off the paper maybe?
Yeah, I think that's easier.
So, it's not included in the instructions how to use that label cutter. We tried and we found it's just easier to just peel it.
I think this thing is useless. Don't try and use it.
Okay. And then what are we supposed to do?
So we just take off the skin, or we use
The paper.
Yeah, the paper. I don't know why I keep on calling it.
It has to be an unpeeled crayon.
Yeah, so else it will not work. So you have to break it into 3 before you put it in the crayon molder.
A little bit goes a long way, and you cannot change colors in the middle of your project.
Otherwise,
So it's good to start off with a tiny piece, about that size, and then you put it in the top.
like this.
Let's see. And it says to wait about 30 seconds to a minute for it to get ready.
Well, so it's been about 30 seconds, so we're gonna test this out. Oh wow, this is fun.
How does it feel? Is it heavy?
Oh really? It's actually pretty light.
Okay.
Hey, look, you can see the green coming in. See it?
Hey, look, you can see that on the sides. I guess that's how you know it's ready.
It's hard to squeeze. Ah, there we go.
So it is
I'm
hard
not
to
even
squeeze.
squeezing.
So you can just like practice dots. Try some lines. How does that feel?
feels cool.
Touch it. Is it hot?
Not really.
It's a little smushy. Try the dot above it. See if it can smush out. Are you able to smush it?
Smushed it, kind of.
Interesting.
Whoa.
It looks like it's about to drip too. Do you want to try one of their art project sheets, or do you want to try making a drawing of your own?
My own.
Okay. So that little section of green lasted us a good while. We noticed that when she went faster, how it kind of smudged a bit. But some slow, steady movements give us this like really smooth type thing. It's not hot. Another thing that they put in the directions is that it will never be completely clean of a color. So we have to just kind of use it. Is it brown or green?
Both.
Green? How do you feel about going back? Is it like messing up the colors that you already did?
Not really.
Do you want to try doing texture maybe, like on the box, like a bunch of dots?
I guess.
Which one? Which method do you like better?
I like the lines.
Okay.
Then put in more.
After waiting for a while, you can tell I got a little bit bored. So we're gonna try putting in more. Wait about 30 seconds or so. And hopefully it starts coloring really smooth again. So this is what we have so far.
I'm bad at drawing the volcano. You can see the green right there.
But it does feel kind of like a good texture, I think.
Yeah, it feels like a rocky texture, but so smooth. Like a sedimentary rock.
How's the lizard coming along?
Coming along really good. We're making the head.
Ooh.
Ooh. It's a tank that can walk up all smooth surfaces.
All right. Now,
Let's try it.
put in 2/3 of brown. Is it still clogging?
It's not even doing anything.
Well, that's the end of our video. Thanks. Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah. It's kind of starting to wake again.
Been waiting, what, about 30 seconds?
Wait. It's starting to come out. Hey, look! It's coming again. It's coming again, look.
Hey, there it goes.
I think it ran out.
Okay.
I'm gonna
So,
try and clean it.
do you do it when it's hot or when it's cold? We don't know because the instructions did not tell us. It says to do it slowly.
It's taking a while.
It is. Did it do anything? Pull it out. See if any leftover wax came out. Nothing?
Nothing.
Alright. Try drawing with it. Did all the brown finish?
Nope.
I think it's safe to say we want to do the lava and what do we say?
Lava.
Red, orange.
And yellow.
So you're going to try mixing the three together? See what comes out?
Yeah.
Okay. Draw a little bit. Draw to get out the brown. It looks orange.
Orange enough?
Orange enough to start drawing lava, I think.
I don't think it's mixing.
When it looked... Did we put in the orange first? I think we did.
Yes.
Okay, there. I see orange and red.
This is not going as planned. out good.
So it took a while, and then you have to draw out like the color that you used before. But it's really showing up on camera pretty good. The red and the orange at least. I don't see very much yellow.
No, neither do I. It does. It looks like a trophy or tree. It does. I see the Lorax.
Hey, there you go.
Wax in a trophy.
We can make this one of those, what are they called, Rorschach tests? What do you see when you look at this crayon melting?
Yeah.
Boogers.
Actually, in Gravity Falls, what's Stan's brother? What's his name? Stanford? No, Stan's brother.
His name is Stanford.
Oh,
There's
really?
Stanley and Stanford.
Oh. Okay. Well, anyways, he did that to Mabel. There was like a skull. Mabel called it a bunny. An explosion. Mabel called it a lollipop. And a sword. She called it offensive one. That's how Optimus is. This thing is intense.
You forgot when she had another packet of smiley face.
Yeah, maybe she had. Go watch Gravity Falls if you don't know what we're saying.
Oh, yes.
How about you put the melter back and show us the finished product?
This is what it is.
So the texture on this thing.
It's cool. Feel it, Mom?
Wow.
Mom, Dad, feel
Well, the
it.
lights, like you can see it in the light. Hold it up to the light. Look, right here, right here.
Okay.
So you can see. Oh, it cracks a little bit.
Let me see. It cracks. Oh, look at that.
Ooh.
And that kind of matches the volcano.
Let's see the back. Huh. But there's nothing on our table. So I guess don't do this over a tablecloth. That would probably be wise.
Yeah, definitely. It could be. It could be.
All right. Okay, final thoughts.
So, I like this thing. These are reasons why. It's cool. It comes out really nice. And if you like mess it up, it's actually like a texture thing. So it's cool. But I don't like it because it keeps on clogging. You have to use like all of the wax before you can put another one in, and it won't even like come out clearly. See, like I still got some green on the volcano. You see it?
There's some green, and then you can see here where the orange and red mix. But say, for example, if you're doing a volcano, it looks good. It just depends on your art project, right?
Yeah.
So overall, would you recommend this?
I don't know.
It's a good gift for kids who what?
Who like to draw, who like to paint, who like to be creative. So actually, yeah, I think you should buy it. Buy it.
Buy it. Well, it might make a good gift if somebody's bugging you, but it does have a few kinks that Crayola needs to work out, like this thing. What is this thing even?
It didn't even work. It took like an hour. It felt like an hour.
I feel like better instructions would have helped.
Yes, think better Crayola. If you are watching this, better instructions. Be clear. Clear.
I think it still has some work to do. It felt warm to the touch, but it didn't burn, so I think it's okay for kids.
Actually, when it's with I accidentally got some wax. It just stinks. So
Yeah, it's not like third-degree burns or anything. Michael's had a run-in with a glue gun before.
Multiple times.
Definitely not glue gun run-in, but maybe we should do crayons and a glue gun and see if that works any better.
it actually might.
Well, it might be worth it. It might not. I think Crayola needs to come out with a version 2, and hopefully that'll take off a little bit better. So until next time.
Bye. I do.
seconds at least.